Hello dear student, in this video we are talking about the NCERT solution chapter 2, which is matter around the cube. In NCERT solution we have starting from exercise NCERT with page number 28, and let's take the first question. So question number 1, which is, which separation techniques will you apply for the separation of followings? First, A. Sodium chloride from the solution in water. Sodium chloride from the solution in water. Answer will be, you are well known about evaporation. Evaporation. A and B answer. So question number B, which is ammonium chloride from the mixture of containing sodium chloride and ammonium chloride. How we separate the ammonium chloride from the mixture of ammonium chloride and sodium chloride? We separate with the help of sublimation. And C, small piece of metal in the engine oil of a car. Suppose in an engine oil the piece of metal has been mixed, unfortunately, suddenly. How we separate? With the help of filtration. With the help of filtration. Another small piece of metal in the engine oil, next, different pigment from an extract of flower petal. Different pigments on extract of flower petal. We separate the different pigment with the help of chromatography technique. D, with the help of chromatography. Chromatography. Next question is butter from curd. We separate the butter from the curd with the help of centrifugation. Centrifugation. Next question is oil from water. Oil from water, which is oil from water. Oil from water. With the help of separate, with the help of separating funnel. Next question. Tea leaves from tea. With the help of filtration. With the help of filtration. Next, iron pin from sand. How we separate the iron pin from the mixture of iron pin and sand? We separate with the help of magnetic separation. H, magnetic separation. Wheat grain from husk. With the help of, very easy, winnowing. We separate the wheat grain inform us with the help of winnowing. So these are our answer of the question number first. So our last question, which is fine particles suspended in water we separate with the help of by loading, sedimentation and decantation process. Question number 2, student, which is write the steps you would use for making tea. Use the words solution, solvent, solute, dissolve, soluble, insoluble, filtrate and residue. Only two substances in this question. One substance is solvent, which is water, and another solute is tea leaf. When we make the tea with the help of mixture of tea leaf and water, we regard this word solution, solvent, solute, dissolve, soluble, insoluble, filtrate and residue. First, boiling of water is solvent. Solvent is boiling water. Solute, addition of tea leaf. Solute is addition of tea leaf. Tea leaf into water, into boiling water. Another is solute, solution. Other is solution, which is solution is going to filtrate black tea. Filtrate black tea. Next, dissolve. Next, there is no dissolvent, only extract, soluble, insoluble, filtrate and residue. Insoluble, filtrate and residue is our filtrate is our remnant tea leaf after filtration. Insoluble, filtrate and residue are our remnant tea leaf after filtration. These are answer